Welcome back to Car Fusion, the place where speed meets style and passion meets performance. Today, we're about to witness a legend reborn, a machine that doesn't just push the limits, it completely redefines them. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into the breathtaking world of the Lamborghini Revuelto. This isn't just another car. This is a roaring revolution, a symbol of futuristic dreams wrapped in Italian passion. From its electrified heart to its wild, aggressive body, the Revuelto is the boldest Lamborghini ever created. So tighten your seatbelts, because what you're about to experience is pure automotive magic, only here on Car Fusion. The Revuelto is more than just a successor to the Aventador. It's a complete transformation, a fresh heartbeat for a new generation of supercars. This is Lamborghini's first ever V12 plug-in hybrid, proudly known as an HPV, a high-performance electrified vehicle. At its core lies a brand new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine ***, paired with 3 lightning-fast electric motors. The combined forces deliver an earth-shattering 1,001 horsepower, a number that sounds almost mythical. But the Revuelto isn't about just numbers. It's about delivering an emotional, explosive driving experience that no one else can match. Let's talk pure speed, because the Revuelto is absolutely relentless. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, just 2.5 seconds faster than the blink of an eye. Want more? It blasts past 125 miles per hour in under 7 seconds and charges onward to a mind-blowing top speed of over 217 miles per hour. This isn't just about going fast in a straight line. Thanks to an all-new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and a smart all-wheel drive system, the Revuelto handles like a precision instrument. Add in electric torque vectoring, and this beast grips the road with a supernatural confidence, cornering, accelerating, and braking with razor-sharp precision. Now let's step back and admire the jaw-dropping design. The Revuelto doesn't just look fast, it looks alive. Its sharp edges, deep cuts, and aggressive stance are a celebration of speed and aerodynamics. At the front, the iconic Y-shaped headlights give it a piercing, predatory gaze. Massive air intakes, sharp creases, and a wide, low stance create a presence that's simply unforgettable. Move to the rear, and you're greeted by a dramatic active wing, a futuristic diffuser, and those 4 monstrous exhaust pipes, proudly announcing the beast within. And of course, the signature scissor doors swing open like a dramatic statement of power and prestige. The Revuelto isn't just a car you see. It's a car you feel deep in your soul. Step inside, and the Revuelto welcomes you to the future. The cabin is a breathtaking fusion of luxury and technology. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber, handcrafted to perfection. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive 8.4-inch center touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display, creating a triple-screen experience that feels more like a spaceship than a supercar. Everything inside screams innovation, from the cutting-edge user interface to the customizable driving modes that let you tailor the Revuelto's soul to your desires. It's not just a cabin, it's an immersive experience that puts you at the center of a mechanical symphony. Worried that hybrid means boring? Think again. The Lamborghini Revuelto uses its electrification to amplify excitement, not tone it down. In everyday situations, the Revuelto can cruise silently using its electric motors, perfect for city driving or quiet neighborhoods. But unleash the full power, and the V12 roars to life with a sound so fierce, so primal, it sends shivers down your spine. Thanks to a clever energy recovery system, the battery recharges during braking and even while driving aggressively, meaning you're always ready for the next adrenaline surge. This is a Lamborghini for a new world. A world where sustainability and pure, unapologetic performance go hand in hand. Beneath the skin, the Revuelto is a masterpiece of engineering. The chassis is made from a brand new monofuselage, a lightweight carbon fiber structure that's 25% stiffer and 10% lighter than before. This gives the Revuelto incredible strength, responsiveness, and agility. Aerodynamics have been fine-tuned like never before. Active aero elements, including the movable rear wing, adapt to your driving style, creating either maximum downforce for sharp corners or reduced drag for maximum speed. Every detail, every element, Every bolt on this machine is crafted for one purpose: to thrill. Driving experience beyond imagination ***. Behind the wheel, the Revuelto is more than a car. It's an extension of your spirit. With 13 selectable drive modes from fully electric Cita mode to all-out Corsa mode, you can transform the car's character to match your mood. Want to glide silently through the city? Done. Want to unleash all 1001 horsepower on a twisting mountain pass? Also done, and it will leave you breathless. The steering is precise, the response instant, and the connection between driver and machine feels almost telepathic. The Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap into the future of performance and design. It's a car that stays true to Lamborghini's rebellious spirit while embracing the technology of tomorrow. It's loud, it's wild, it's electrifying, and it's absolutely unforgettable. In a world full of imitations, the Revuelto stands proudly as an original masterpiece, ready to inspire dreams and ignite passions for generations to come. Thank you for joining us here on Car Fusion, your #1 destination for the world's most breathtaking machines. If you love this deep dive into the revolutionary Lamborghini Revuelto, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss another episode of pure automotive adrenaline. Until next time, stay bold, stay passionate, and remember, the future belongs to those who dare to drive it.